Let's start. Now we'll be doing skills. So what are skills is, it's nothing but multiplication table. So if I say what is the skill for 11, it will be 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So it will be in that way. Now Shashwat will be telling the skill, which is multiplication table of some numbers, two-digit numbers. I'll start the stopwatch. He'll be telling the multiplication table 10 times. So we'll see how much time he's taking for 10 times. Now I'm telling the number. The number is 42. Start.
42, 84, 126, 168, 210, 252, 294, 336, 378, 420.
Right. So you can see 14 seconds for 42 skills. 42 skill. In the same way, I'll be telling two more numbers and we'll be checking the speed. I'm starting in 3, 2, 1, go. 54.
54, 108, 162, 216, 270, 324, 378, 432, 486, 540.
Yes. You can see 17 seconds for 54 skill. Now another number, the last number. It is 95. Start.
95, 95, 190, 285, 380, 475, 570, 665, 760, 855, 950.
Right. So 16 seconds for 95 skill. Yes. So this was about skills, which is also called a multiplication table. So with this technique, you can write the multiplication table of any number. You need not learn any tables if you know this technique.